Wadau, tumeingia in the month of love, and this time at Kenya Homes tuna celebrate the month of love in a very, very unique way. Tunataka kuonyesha the meaning of true love. Najua mmesikia money bouquet, mmesikia flower bouquet, but let me plug you to something very new and very interesting. This is what at Kenya Homes we are calling a title bouquet. Ladies, do not settle for less. Usikubali maua, usikubali chocolates. Do not settle for anything less than you deserve. This month is the month of love, and Kenya Homes, we have deals for you lined up for the whole month. Mkae tu mkiwa rada, stay subscribed to our channel and do not miss anything.